Let me ask you something important, and I want you to really think about it for a second. What if the real reason you feel tired, slow, foggy, or older than you should isn't your age at all? What if it's happening deep inside your cells, in tiny power centers most people have never heard of? But science says they control how young, energetic, and strong you feel every single day. Today, I'm going to share something that might completely change the way you think about aging, energy, and health. Because what you're about to hear is not hype, it's not a trend, and it's not guesswork. It's backed by real science. And it involves a simple drink you can have every day that supports the creation of new mitochondria, the engines of your body. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your daily routine the same way again. Welcome to Prime Age Health Hub. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you're with us today. This channel is all about helping you feel strong, clear-minded, and confident in your body as you move through your prime years and beyond. No complicated routines, no extreme advice. Just practical, science-backed habits that actually make a difference in real life. And today's topic is one of the most powerful, yet misunderstood areas of health, especially for adults over 40, 50, and 60. You see, most people think aging happens on the outside first. Wrinkles, gray hair, slower movement. But science shows aging actually starts much deeper, at the cellular level. Inside almost every cell in your body are tiny structures called mitochondria. You can think of them as microscopic power plants. Their job is to take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and turn it into energy. Not motivation energy, real usable energy that powers your muscles, your brain, your heart, and even your immune system. Every step you take, every thought you think, every heartbeat depends on mitochondria doing their job properly. Here's the problem. As we age, the number and function of our mitochondria decline. They become fewer, weaker, and less efficient. That's not opinion. That's documented in scientific research. When mitochondria slow down, everything slows down. Your metabolism becomes sluggish. Fat becomes easier to gain and harder to lose. Muscles weaken. Brain fog creeps in. Endurance drops. Recovery takes longer. Even your risk for chronic disease increases. Many experts now believe mitochondrial decline is one of the core drivers of aging itself. But here's the part that almost no one tells you. Your body can make new mitochondria. This process is called mitochondrial biogenesis, and it's one of the most exciting discoveries in modern health science. You are not stuck with the mitochondria you have right now. Your cells can be encouraged to build more, stronger, healthier mitochondria, even later in life. And when that happens, people often report better energy, sharper focus, improved stamina, and a stronger sense of vitality that they thought was gone forever. Now, exercise is one well-known trigger for mitochondrial biogenesis. That's true. But exercise isn't the whole story. Scientists have discovered that certain compounds found in natural foods and drinks can activate the same cellular pathways involved in mitochondrial growth. And one of the most studied, most accessible, and most overlooked of these come from a simple drink many people already know, but very few use correctly. I'm talking about unsweetened green tea. Now, before you click away or think I've heard this before, stay with me, because what I'm about to explain is very different from the usual surface-level health advice. This isn't about green tea as a healthy drink in a vague sense. This is about how specific compounds in green tea interact with your cells, your genes, and your mitochondria in ways that have been observed and measured in scientific studies. Green tea contains powerful plant compounds called polyphenols, especially one called EGCG. These compounds don't just float around doing nothing. Inside your body, they activate key signaling pathways related to energy regulation and cellular repair. One of the most important of these pathways involves a molecule known as AMP. Think of AMPK as your body's internal energy sensor. When AMPK is activated, your cells behave as if they are in an energy-demanding state, even if you're sitting still. And when AMPK turns on, it sends a message to your cells that says, we need more energy-producing capacity. That message triggers the activation of another major player called PGC1-alpha. This molecule is often described by scientists as the master regulator of mitochondrial biogenesis. When PGC1-alpha is activated, your cells begin the process of creating new mitochondria and improving the function of existing ones. This is not motivational talk. This is molecular biology. What's fascinating is that studies have shown green tea polyphenols can support the activation of these pathways. That means when you drink unsweetened green tea regularly, you're not just hydrating yourself. You're giving your cells signals that encourage better energy production from the inside out. And this matters even more as we get older, because while younger bodies may bounce back quickly from stress, poor sleep, or missed workouts, older bodies rely much more on daily support at the cellular level. Supporting mitochondrial health becomes less about intensity and more about consistency. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up in the morning without that heavy, drained feeling. Imagine going through your day without needing constant caffeine hits just to feel normal. Imagine having the energy to walk, move, think, and enjoy life without feeling like your battery is always half empty. That's what healthier mitochondria help make possible. Now, I want to be very clear and responsible here. Green tea is not magic. It is not a cure. It does not replace medical care or a balanced lifestyle. But what it does do is support the natural systems your body already has, systems that are designed to maintain energy and resilience. And when something is simple, affordable, and backed by research, it deserves attention. Another important point is how you drink it. Unsweetened is key. Sugar works against mitochondrial health by increasing inflammation and oxidative stress. Adding sugar turns a supportive habit into a harmful one. Plain green tea, warm or slightly cooled, allows those polyphenols to do their job without interference. Some people worry about caffeine, and that's understandable. Green tea contains significantly less caffeine than coffee, and it also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm focus rather than jittery stimulation. Many people find green tea gives them a smoother, more balanced sense of alertness. Think about this as a daily signal you send to your body. Every time you drink it, you're gently reminding your cells to stay efficient, adaptable, and energized. Over time, those small signals add up. Health is rarely built in dramatic moments. It's built in daily choices that support your biology instead of fighting it. On Prime Age Health Hub, we talk a lot about aging well, not just living longer, but living better. And mitochondrial health is at the heart of that conversation, because when your cells have energy, you have options. You can move more. You can recover faster. You can engage with life instead of just getting through it. In the next part, I'm going to take you deeper into how mitochondrial decline affects specific areas like muscle strength, brain health, and metabolic balance, and why supporting mitochondrial biogenesis becomes even more critical after 50. I'll also explain why consistency matters more than dosage, and how this one simple habit fits into a bigger picture of healthy aging. So stay with me, because what we're building here is understanding, not just information. Understanding is what leads to real, lasting change. Now let's take this conversation a little deeper, because once you understand how mitochondrial decline shows up in real life, suddenly a lot of things start to make sense. That stubborn fatigue that doesn't go away with sleep, the muscles that feel weaker, even though you're trying to stay active, the slower metabolism that makes weight gain feel unfair, the brain fog where names, words, or focus don't come as easily as they used to. These aren't just random signs of getting older. They're often signs that your cellular energy systems are under strain. Muscle health is one of the clearest examples. Your muscles are incredibly energy-hungry tissues. Every contraction, every step, every time you stand up from a chair, mitochondria are working behind the scenes to supply fuel. As mitochondrial function declines, muscles lose efficiency first, then strength, then endurance. This is one reason why people feel tired doing things they used to do effortlessly. It's not always weakness of will, it's biology. What's interesting is that research shows mitochondrial biogenesis can improve muscle efficiency even without dramatic changes in muscle size. In other words, you don't need to become a bodybuilder to feel stronger. When your muscles have better energy production, daily movement feels easier, walking feels lighter, stairs feel less intimidating. Balance improves because muscles respond faster and more reliably. Now let's talk about the brain, because this is where many people start to worry as they age. Your brain consumes an enormous amount of energy. In fact, despite being only a small percentage of your body weight, it uses a huge share of your total energy supply. That energy comes from mitochondria. When mitochondrial function declines in brain cells, cognitive performance can suffer. Focus becomes harder. Mental fatigue sets in quicker. Memory retrieval slows down. Supporting mitochondrial health doesn't mean you'll never forget a name again. That's not realistic, but it does mean you're giving your brain cells the energy environment they need to function at their best. Green tea polyphenols have also been studied for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the brain, which further supports cognitive resilience over time. This combination of energy support and protection is one reason green tea has been associated with healthier brain aging in observational studies. Then there's metabolism. This is a big one, especially for viewers who feel like their body changed overnight after a certain age. Mitochondria are central to how your body burns fat and glucose. When they're inefficient, your body becomes less flexible in how it uses fuel. Blood sugar regulation becomes harder. Fat storage becomes easier. Energy crashes become more frequent. By supporting mitochondrial function, you're helping restore some of that metabolic flexibility. You're not forcing your body to burn fat. You're allowing it to do what it's designed to do when energy systems are functioning properly. This is why mitochondrial health is often discussed in relation to insulin sensitivity and metabolic wellness. Now, here's something very important I want to emphasize, because misinformation is everywhere. Supporting mitochondrial biogenesis is not about megadoses, extreme protocols, or chasing supplements endlessly. Your body responds best to gentle, consistent signals. Think of it like learning a language. You don't become fluent by cramming once a month. You become fluent by practicing a little every day. That's where a daily drink like unsweetened green tea fits so well into a healthy routine. It's not aggressive. It doesn't shock the system. It quietly supports the pathways involved in energy regulation day after day. And over time, those small nudges add up to noticeable changes. Another reason consistency matters is because mitochondrial turnover is an ongoing process. Mitochondria are constantly being created and removed in response to your environment. Sleep, movement, stress, and nutrition all influence this balance. When your daily habits support energy production, your cells adapt accordingly. When they don't, decline accelerates. Stress deserves special mention here. Chronic stress is one of the fastest ways to damage mitochondrial function. Elevated stress hormones increase oxidative stress and interfere with energy production. One overlooked benefit of green tea is the calming effect of L-theanine, which can help blunt stress responses without making you drowsy. Lower stress supports healthier mitochondria indirectly but meaningfully. Hydration also plays a role. Dehydration reduces cellular efficiency. Drinking green tea contributes to hydration while delivering beneficial compounds. Just make sure it's not loaded with sweeteners or artificial additives. Simplicity is power here. Some people ask, how much should I drink? And while studies vary, the key takeaway isn't chasing exact numbers. It's making it a regular part of your day. 1 to 3 cups, spread out, works well for many people. Listen to your body. If caffeine sensitivity is an issue, earlier in the day is better. I also want to address skepticism because it's healthy. You might be thinking, if it were this simple, everyone would be doing it. But health trends often focus on what's flashy, not what's foundational. Simple habits don't get headlines. They get results quietly. And remember, this drink is not meant to stand alone. It works best as part of a lifestyle that includes movement, adequate protein, sleep, and sunlight. Think of it as one supportive pillar, not the entire structure. At Prime Age Health Hub, we care about sustainable health, not quick fixes that burn out, but habits you can maintain for years. Mitochondrial health is a long game, and that's a good thing. It means you can start today wherever you are and still benefit. In the next part, I'm going to talk about why many people unknowingly sabotage their mitochondrial health through common daily habits even while trying to eat healthy, and how a small shift in awareness can protect the progress you're making. This is where things really start to click, because avoiding damage is just as important as providing support. So take a breath, let this sink in, and when you're ready, tell me to continue. Now let's talk about something just as important as what you add into your life. And that's what quietly takes energy away without you realizing it. Because many people are doing healthy things on the surface, yet their mitochondria are still struggling. And it's frustrating when you feel like you're trying, but your body isn't responding the way you hoped. One of the biggest hidden drains on mitochondrial health is constant snacking and overfeeding. I know that sounds counterintuitive, especially after years of hearing that you need to eat all the time to keep your energy up. But from a cellular perspective, non-stop eating keeps your mitochondria stuck in processing mode. They never get a break to repair, adapt, and improve efficiency. Short periods between meals, even just allowing digestion to fully complete, give your cells space to reset energy pathways. When you pair that with supportive compounds like green tea polyphenols, the signal for mitochondrial renewal becomes much clearer. Another issue is lack of light exposure. Your mitochondria respond to circadian rhythms. Morning light helps regulate energy production throughout the day. When your internal clock is off, mitochondria don't perform as well. This is why people who stay indoors most of the day often feel drained even if they sleep enough. Simple morning daylight combined with a calming ritual like a warm cup of unsweetened green tea creates a powerful alignment between your brain, hormones, and cellular energy systems. Sleep is another pillar we can't ignore. During deep sleep, your body repairs mitochondrial damage and clears waste products created during energy production. Poor sleep means mitochondria accumulate damage faster than they can recover. No drink can replace sleep, but supportive habits can make sleep more effective. Many people find green tea earlier in the day helps them avoid late-day caffeine crashes that interfere with rest. I also want to touch on mindset because it matters more than people think. When you believe decline is inevitable, you stop supporting your body proactively. But science now shows aging is flexible. Not optional, but flexible. The goal isn't to be young forever. The goal is to keep your systems working as well as possible for as long as possible. Mitochondria sit at the center of that goal. Now, let's bring this full circle. The idea of making new mitochondria isn't science fiction. It's a real biological process your body is capable of throughout life. And while no single habit does everything, daily supportive signals shape long-term outcomes. Unsweetened green tea is one of those signals. Simple, accessible, research-backed, and easy to maintain. Think about how powerful that is. Something you can do every day without stress, without extremes, that supports energy at the deepest level of your body. That's the kind of habit that compounds over time. Weeks turn into months. Months turn into years, and one day you realize you're moving better, thinking clearer, and living with more energy than you expected at this stage of life. That's what Prime Age Health Hub is about. Not fear, not hype, but understanding your body well enough to support it wisely. You don't need perfection. You need consistency and clarity. If this video helped you see aging and energy differently, do me a favor and support the channel. Like this video so more people can find it. Subscribe to Prime Age Health Hub if you want more science-based guidance for strong, confident aging. And share this with someone you care about because energy is something we all want more of, especially as the years go by. Remember, your age does not define your energy. Your daily signals do. Take care of your mitochondria, and they will take care of you. I'll see you in the next video.